Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Very exciting day today. I just got this package all the way from New Zealand. I know what's in here, but I'm not going to spoil it for you just yet. Let's open it up. Hell yeah, check that out. We got some Genuine Fender Parts. That's awesome. I will use these as templates and whatnot. Sweet Obsidian wire speed knobs. And most importantly, this stuff. Oh, let's see what we're dealing with here. Plug and play parts, hell yes. All the way from New Zealand. Oh man, that is awesome. Look at that. Look at those massive pots. This is beautiful. This is gonna drop right in. Yep, that's gonna drop right in there. This is exciting. So this, I think, is the blender for the Fender Stratocaster. Beautifully wired jack and everything. Like I said, this stuff it's plug and play. It just plugs in, no soldering required. What's this? What is this? Look at this little bag. Look at that. Can I get this to focus? That is awesome. Let me start storing my cufflinks in here when I'm done with whatever is in here. I know you guys are thinking of storing something else in here, but that's not the point. All right, so this is the hardware that I need for those to put the pots on. But also Obsidian wire plectrums. These are nice and stiff too. I really like that bag. All right, what else do we have? OCD, gotta package this all back up nicely until I'm ready to actually use it. I think I'm starting to get a hint what I might be doing with my Strat kit. All right. Wow. Oh my, look at that. What? I need to figure out which one of these is for the humbucker. I think, is this one? That is massive. What's going on there? What? That's insane. One of these is a blender. One's for the humbucker, single. Again, beautifully wired output jack, and again, the awesome little bag, I'm guessing with fairly similar contents. I don't know what this is. I think this must be some Telecaster stuff. Yes, look how clean that is. That is unreal. How do they do this? My God. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to put this back after, but that is incredible. Oh, I'm so excited. I gotta go build some guitars now. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. This makes my OCD feel good. Those are insanely clean. I'm gonna have to do, well, at least a couple strats. One of these is going in probably that this kit right here that I'm building for Solo Music Gear's Strat kit. Got to upgrade a Telecaster. We got lots of guitar upgrades coming up between this stuff and that LP harness from Gun Street Guitar Shop. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So I hope you guys are as excited about this stuff as I am. These guys did offer, company in New Zealand. This is the first that I've touched their stuff. They did offer to give me an affiliate link so that I can, you know, allow you guys the opportunity to buy stuff through them, and I get a small commission on that. I told them, hey, I got to try it first. Same thing I say to any company that talks to me about this stuff. There haven't been that many, but hey, I got to try it first, see if I like it, and then maybe I'll do that. But just looking at this, you can just tell that the quality is there. You know, sometimes you can just look and see that. So I'm like 99% sure that I am going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to sign up and put a link in the description. So if you guys are interested in picking some of this stuff up, you can do it through there. If you do, it helps me out. If you don't like me, then just go to the website separately and check it out. And feel free to do that, of course. If you'd rather wait for me to actually demo these things, that totally makes sense too. I'm going to try and get to that as soon as I can, but I got a couple builds to do to be able to get to that point. So it is going to be a while. I want to do it now, but it's going to be a while before I can actually get these things demoed. If you're looking for them in the interim, I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and sign up for that affiliate link. As I speak about it, I just convince myself more and more. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you're as excited about this stuff as I am. This is going to be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, so you can check out the builds that I do, that I include these in. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.